Come unbox with me my travel juicer, the Ninja Blast. Now I'm not being paid for this. I'm doing this just by sheer satisfaction for me. I am a frequent traveler and a travel vlogger. You can check out my vlog channel for travel, Julie Adventure Vlogs. So I'm currently on a cruise holiday, which I do quite a lot, and you will find interesting adventurous videos on my travel channel on Julie Adventure Vlogs. So this particular cruise I'm on is the longest I've been. Is a segment from the World Cruise, and I'm trying to maintain my juicing lifestyle, so I got this for the journey. I've never used it. I've only just watched how to use it on telly, and that's what I'm going to be doing today, unboxing it. Are you ready to unbox with me? Let's do this. Ooh, honestly, I would have loved that color because I'm a green girl, but I couldn't find it, and I didn't have time enough to order it on Amazon. So I bought this in San Francisco because I had to fly to San Francisco. This is it. Very portable, very portable. It has a bit of weight to it. Let me see. Is this washable? Yeah. So water resistant USB charger, 30 seconds blend mode, sip scouts, dishwashable, safe lid and vessel. Of course, you won't be washing the lower parts in a dishwasher, but you'll be washing these bits in a dishwasher. Let's see. Okay, that's it. So it's easy to carry along. That's the portability of it. USB. I don't even know if it's charged enough for me to use it now. So USB for charging it, so you don't have to plug it while you're using it. Just charge it and use it on the go. And inside there's still a few things. That's it. Small, portable. Before first use, charge until lids are solid green. So I might not even be able to use it now. So juicing might be tomorrow. When solid, pop up, press for 30 seconds, blend mode. And all the instructions here. So yeah, that's it. Time. That's the lid in a table. So that's nice. So yeah, I'll go give it a quick wash now and we'll be good to go. Okay, so that's the place for the charging. So charging port. That's it. And on and off button, start, stop, but I have to charge it until it goes green. So let's go charge it. To kick off this inaugural juicing, I have in front of us fresh fruits and vegetables which I was able to gather from the cruise ship buffet that I'm traveling on. Let's put things together as we commence juicing. So fresh ginger, all washed and clean, diced cucumbers as much as can fit, lettuce, fresh lettuce, and apple which I'm going to be chopping up in little bits, plus fresh oranges chopped in little bits. As a blender, it will need some water, so I've added some water to the line indicated on the blender, and guess what? It's trial time. That's the beauty of it. I'm sitting at the balcony. It's so portable. You don't have to plug it because it's been charged. So let's test this and see. I should take this off. We are ready. Let's see what we have in here. Looking good is good business. No preservatives, no additives. Pure jug of good health. I'm so excited that I can juice while I cruise. Till I see you next time. If you've enjoyed watching this video, then like it, share, subscribe, leave a comment. And don't forget, make food your medicine.